Hi, I'm Gina, and today we're opening up a One Piece trading card game booster box, Paramount War Op-02. This looks like it's based off of Marineford arc, and that was definitely one of my favorite arcs in One Piece, so I hope there's some really cool cards. If Ace with like a big donut hole is in here, that would make me sad. There's 2 promo cards in here. That makes me really excited, actually. Oh, a revision pack? Maybe I should show here. What does a revision pack mean? Like cards that have revisions? I'm just gonna do it this way. Carrot, Magellan, and a Dawn. Ooh. I honestly don't even know what some of the big cards are for this, but a Luffy, Mr. 3, and a Dawn. Wow, that one's kind of a dud pack too. Kinemon, Mr. 2, Hina, and a Dawn. I'm ready to see some cool cards. Boa. This one's a super rare, but I've never seen that card before. The blue Luffy. I've already lost track of what pack this is. Normally I say this is pack such and such, but today I just am excited to see. We've been sitting on this box for probably a month now? No, it hasn't been that long, has it? Garp. Sengoku. Interesting. So far, we have not found anything very exciting in this box. I see another super rare, perhaps, but... Ooh, Edward Newgate. Again? There's nothing really exciting in there. The bottom half of this box is where it's going to be stacked. We're going to be like, oh my god. Not like nothing in this one either. What is this trash? Okay, the film. It's funny, I literally bought some of these cards recently, like the Luffy and I think the Brook. Ooh, a Buggy and a Kuzan. I think that Kuzan is a good card, actually. Like, it's super rare. I think it's very playable, so it's worth something. It's playable! I have a lot of fun playing the red-green law when I get my good hands, by the way. Another leader, Zephyr, Mass Deuce, and a Volcano? Interesting. What's gonna be in here? No, we got a Newgate though. He has 6 life. Oh, that's right. He like loses life as he goes, right? Sadie and Shiro. Whitebeard is cool and all, but I want like a really cool card. Alt leader. A Morley card. Jozu. Kobe. What's going on here? Give me better cards. Let's do this instead. Just rustle them around and then pick them at random. That's what I'm gonna do instead. What are we gonna get this time? Oh, there's something shiny. Ivankov. I don't know if that's a good card or not, but There's a leader in this one. Maybe it'll be an alt leader. Let's see. No, Magellan. Vista. Depressing or just me? That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've opened 13 packs. That's over half the box. Like, I'm ready for something good, something special. Like, take me out on a date and romance me special. This one's got a leader in it. Ready? Sanji, but it's not Alter Sanji. Damn it. Inazuma and Little Sadie. I have an idea after this one. Another event. Oh, the alt art Edward Newgate. That's pretty cool. You want to see this one? This one's actually pretty cool. Hell yeah. Before we finish off the rest of this box, which, like, we've gotten one really good pack so far, so, you know, let's just lighten the mood. This is my latest work in progress for a body paint cosplay I'm going to be doing soon. It's Zoro. If you can't tell, that's Mr. Zoro. That's also 3D printed version of my face, but we won't talk about that anymore. I also made a foam straw hat so I could body paint Luffy, and I made Goku's hair out of foam as well, and this is my Goku wig that I made, and this is my foam straw hat that I made. I mean, you're here for One Piece cards, you might not know who Goku is, question mark, but y'all know who Luffy is. You can check out my Luffy body paint in my videos, and stay tuned for my next Zoro paint. Let's get down to business. We're gonna open the rest of these packs now. Oh, I see something back there. What is it? Ace. Looks like just a super rare ace. It's pretty cool. Dang. Ivanka. Hina. Brooke. I see something shiny and a leader card again. Like, if it's not an alt leader, I don't want it anymore. Smoker. Marco. And an event. Although I don't think we had a smoker leader, so I think the smoker deck is kind of relevant. Maybe I'll build one of those. Oh, Dodon, I needed this one. Heck yeah. Sakazuki. Interesting. Alright, we have got 5 packs left. Here we go. Did we get anything worth exciting about? Getting excited about? We're gonna find out. Shiki. Kuzan. That's a secret rare though. That's cool. Is that one worth getting excited about? Oh my god, it's a Kuzan! 10 cost for 10,000. On your turn, give all of your opponent's characters -5 cost. All of them. On play, knock out up to one of your opponent's characters with a cost of 0. Interesting. Alright, I'm ready for another one. Make up for the rest of, I'm ready. Oh! Huh? It's another secret rare Kuzan. Oh? Did we just get the Kuzan secret rare and the alt rare? Because I think that's what just happened. It looks different. Cool, because it's the same card. We got a gold one and the alt one, I guess. But it doesn't have the star on it. What? That's gotta be the alt. Or like a reprint or something. I don't know. It's cool. Heck yeah, give me another one. Okay, 3 packs left. So we've got 2 secret rare Kuzans, an Edward Newgate, and an alt Edward Newgate. I told you, the back half of this box was gonna be lit, so which one's got our alt leader in it?
The promo pack on side.
Imagine? Oh yeah, I'll open those last. Those are probably just nothings, but we'll see. No, it's a regular Don. Yamato. Smoker. Oh, it is a Don! Oh, jeez! I gotta put that one in my deck. 2 more packs left. Yamato. Smoker again. That was almost the exact same pack. Or was it? It's not a leader. Oh, there's my other Dodon. Shiki and Deuce. Well, the last couple packs were not exciting, but we did get back-to-back Kuzans though, so that, so that was pretty cool. That was very nice. Back-to-back Kuzans. I got my Dodons for my red-green law deck. I'm gonna open the revision pack first. I don't even know what this means, so is it like, we're sorry something happened? Here's a revision pack. What? Crocodile? What is this? What does that even mean? Worked. Squard. That looks like an alt art, right? Alright, here are all the really cool cards that we got from this box. I feel like a lot of the packs were not that exciting, but then when we got some hits, they definitely felt really cool. So we got the alt Edward Newgate. This is, I don't know which one is the alt Kuzan. I'm guessing this one is the alt, and this is the regular because it has the gold border on it. I think. Okay, so those are pretty rad. We got Ivankov, Sakazuki, Ace, another Kuzan. There's the Edward Newgate, a Monkey D. Luffy, and Magellan. Overall, do I think my box got me really excited? It was okay. I wanted an alt leader. I think getting another alt leader that I could actually use is the chase. Maybe. Dangerous. A dangerous chase, but that's okay. Thank you for coming to watch this video. If you liked watching me open up these One Piece cards, you might like this one. See ya!